snake gourd, green peas, tomato stew, or tomato, green peas, snake gourd stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the green peas recipes. Today we are going to make snake gourd, green peas, tomato stew. The ingredients are 250 grams of snake gourd cut into pieces, 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 20 to 25 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, and 2 green chillies. 150 grams of green peas soaked in water for 4 hours. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Garlic, the ginger, half the ginger and the garlic together, the shallots, keep on salt. Salt and mix the ginger and the garlic. thoroughly salt and mix. Put in 2 spoons of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the snake gourd pieces. Put in the green chili. Mix thoroughly. Mix in the snake gourd pieces and the green chilies with the tomatoes and the rest of the mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in the green peas. Mix in the green peas thoroughly. Thoroughly mix in the green peas. Pour in 6 gallons of water. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 25 to 30 minutes if in an open pan. Now the snake gourd, green peas, tomato stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final snake gourd, green peas, tomato stew, or tomato green peas snake gourd stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the green peas recipes and one of the most nutritious of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snake gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.